Today we're going to be taking a look at the best custom fit vehicle wiring for your 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. You're going to have either a factory tow package or a non-factory tow package. We're going to have three options for each one. Today I'm going to help you determine which one you're going to need. On your driver's side behind your rear tire, there's going to be a plastic panel. You're going to want to pull that panel down and you're going to look for two plugs on your frame rail. If you have those two plugs, you're going to have a factory tow package. If you don't have those two plugs, you're going to have a non-factory tow package. So to simplify what we're looking at, we've narrowed it down to the top three wiring harnesses. Over here on your right side, you're going to have the Tekonsha, part number 118269. Here in the center, you're going to have the Curt, part number 56332. And over here on your left side, you're going to have the Tekonsha, part number 118571. Now this one over here on the left is going to be for a non-factory tow package. And the two here on your right, Curt here in the center and the Tekonsha here on your right side, are going to be for a factory tow package. Let's go over some of the differences in our factory tow package wiring. One of the differences is going to be the power output between these two wiring harnesses. Power output is going to be amps per circuit. For the Tekonsha, you're going to have 4.2 amps for your stop and turn and 7.5 amps for your tail lights, where your Curt's going to have 3 amps for your stop and turn and 6 amps for your tail lights. Now, the reason that's important, let's say you have a trailer that has more incandescent lights on it, you're going to want to lean more towards the Tekonsha because it has a higher power output. The Curt is going to work just fine, however your lights may not be as bright because of that lower power output. Another difference between these two is going to be your 4-pole wiring. Now your 4-pole wiring on your Curt is going to be a lot shorter. What that means is this converter box right here is going to be open to the elements because it's going to have to be mounted close to wherever your 4-pole is, coming out of the back of your vehicle. Well, your Tekonsha has a much longer 4-pole wiring setup, so your box, your converter box, can be mounted up behind that plastic panel where your factory wiring is connected. Now let's go over some of the similarities between these two. Both are going to be fuse protected. Both are going to have 4-pole flat connections. And both of our converter boxes are going to have a potting material inside, which tends to help them last a lot longer. Now the reason our converter boxes tend to last a little bit longer with this potting is because this potting material fills up the inside of our converter box, reducing the risk of our wires coming loose and possibly getting damaged. Now as far as installation goes, for these two here, it's going to plug directly into your factory tow wiring. All three of them are going to install the same. Now that we've talked about our factory tow package wiring options, let's talk about our non-factory tow package wiring option. Out of the three non-factory tow package wiring options, this is going to be our top pick. Now the reason is it's going to have the same potting material as we just showed you on our factory tow package wiring. Another reason why we picked this one is the power output. It's going to have 4.2 amps per circuit for your stop and turn, and it's going to have 7.5 amps for your tail lights, just like our other Tekonsha. As far as your non-factory tow wiring, all three of those options are going to install the same as well. However, they're going to be a little bit different than your factory tow. These are going to plug directly into your tail light. You're going to have a power wire that's going to run up to your battery. In my opinion, if I had a Santa Fe with a factory tow package, I would go with the Tekonsha because of the higher power output and the mounting location of my converter box. Now if I have a Santa Fe with a non-factory tow package, again I'm going to go with Tekonsha because again the power output and the potting material inside the converter box. That'll do it for a look at the best custom fit vehicle wiring for your Hyundai Santa Fe.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com and leave us a comment if you have any questions.